If you keep attracting instability, money problems, relationship patterns, feeling unsupported, your root chakra may be blocking safety. Welcome to inner healing and awakening. If you're here right now, I truly believe your soul is ready to release something deep. If you feel anxious for no reason, if you can't fully relax even when life is okay, or if you keep attracting instability, this clearing is for you. Today, we are working with the root chakra, the energy center of safety, survival, stability, and grounding. And we are clearing one of the deepest survival beliefs. It is unsafe to be here. This belief can form after grief, trauma, childhood instability, shock, emotional pain, and even ancestral survival fear. And if this resonates with you, it doesn't mean there is something wrong with you. It means your nervous system has been protecting you. The benefits of clearing this statement can be powerful. Many people begin to feel calmer, more grounded, and more present. Anxiety can reduce. Sleep can improve. Your body may stop bracing for danger. And over time, this creates stability emotionally, but also in relationships, finances, and life direction, because your energy becomes safe enough to receive. Before we begin, I want to make something clear. This is a guided self-healing session. I am not clearing your energy for you. I'm guiding you, and you will clear within your own energy field using your pendulum and your intention. You are always in control. If you feel overwhelmed at any time, pause, breathe, and return when you feel ready. Now take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, in and out. One more time. In and out. Set your intention now. Say in your mind or out loud, I give myself permission to clear this belief now, in the safest and gentlest way for my highest good. If you have your pendulum, you can hold it in one of three ways. You may hold it over your root chakra area below the belly near the pelvic area. Or you can hold it over a printed root chakra diagram. Or you can write the statement on paper and hold your pendulum above the written words. Choose what feels safest and easiest for you. Now we begin with protection. I call in divine protection, divine truth, and pure light. I ask that only energies aligned with love and healing may be present. I release and block any interference, distortion, or energy that is not mine. I am safe. I am grounded. I am protected. Now allow the clearing to begin. We now clear and release the belief. It is unsafe to be here. Repeat gently after me and allow your pendulum to move as long as it needs. I now clear and release. It is unsafe to be here. Across all timelines, dimensions, and realities, across all ancestral lines and generations, across all lifetimes, if allowed. From my body, mind, subconscious, nervous system, and energy field, I release it fully. I release it now. Stay with your breath. Let your body soften. If emotions rise, let them move. If you yawn, breathe deeply, feel tingles, or feel sleepy, it's okay. This is your system releasing stored survival energy. Now ask, is this belief fully cleared now? If you receive a no, continue gently and repeat. I now clear and release. It is unsafe to be here. Across all timelines, dimensions, and realities. Across all ancestral lines and generations. Across all lifetimes, if allowed. From my body, mind, subconscious, nervous system, and energy field, I release it now. Give it some time to clear, as this is a very deep-rooted belief, and the pendulum will clear many layers. After some time, ask again. Is this belief fully cleared now? When you receive a yes, pause, breathe. Now we fill the root chakra. One filling statement only, and allow it to run for as long as needed. I now fill my root chakra with divine safety and grounding. Allow the pendulum to move and let your system receive. Now we activate the new frequency. One activation statement only, again, allow as long as needed. It is safe for me to be here. Let your pendulum move. Let your body receive this new truth. When you do sealing, say one statement at a time. Now we seal this work. I seal my root chakra in divine light. I seal my aura completely. I seal all healing across all timelines, dimensions, and realities. Only love remains. Only truth remains. I am safe. I am protected. Take a deep breath in and out. Now integration. After this session, drink water. Rest if you need to. Ground yourself, even just by feeling your feet on the floor or stepping outside. Integration can unfold for the next 24 to 72 hours. Be gentle with yourself. And if you want this healing to become permanent, keep a healing diary. Write the statement you cleared. How you felt before, how you feel after, and any shifts you notice in dreams, emotions, or life. If this clearing supported you, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Because in the next root chakra session, we will go deeper and clear the next statement. Thank you for being here. You are not broken. You are healing. Clear, integrate, awaken, one powerful step at a time.